Let's look at Chapter 2, Part 3 now. In this section, we're going to look at the little words that start with D, and the words are going to be de, du, and de. Now, it's important to remember that the word de is pronounced de. It's got the short E on it. It's not pronounced de, because that's how D-E-S is pronounced. De, du, and de. Basically, the word de, in lots of cases, and when it's used as a preposition, means of or from. Those are the two basic translations that it means. It can mean other things, but and occasionally it's not translated. If you know other languages, you might know what a genitive is. The de is the sign of the genitive. So I might talk about la fille de Clermont. That means fille is girl, the girl from Claremont. Un cours de français, literally a class of French, or we would say a French class. So that's examples of de. When de is followed by le, the masculine, it combines into du, du. Le bureau du directeur. So le bureau can either mean desk or office, and le directeur can be a film director, but it can also be the principal of a school. So it would be the office of the principal, or we would say the principal's office. We use the apostrophe S and change the word order to indicate possession. That's a de plus le. De plus la, the feminine, doesn't change. It just stays as de la. But it's du and le contract to do, and it's not a question of like, oh, do I want to do it? It's automatic. It's mandatory. You can't put de and le together when de is a preposition. De plus le automatically contracts to de. Le citoyen des pays européens. Les citoyens are the citizens. Pays is country. Européen would be European. So this is talking about the European Union. Les citoyens des pays européens, the citizens of European countries, or the European countries, because it's de plus le, but we wouldn't usually say the. We'd take it out. Now, it's going to get confusing because de is also the plural of un or une. We've seen un meaning a before a masculine noun, une meaning a before a feminine noun, and the plural of a would be some. So des amis means some friends. So here, de is not a preposition. It's used as an article, and it's going to be the plural of un or une. But right now, let's concentrate on de when de is used as a preposition. Here's the exercise that you'll do, and some of these sentences are a bit bizarre, but that's okay. Keep track of how all of the de, and do are acting as prepositions.